Hello everybody! I am so sorry, I always forget to announce what stickers we have coming. So this video is dedicated to the new matching stickers that coordinate with our March kit. If you haven't seen the March kit, it's absolutely lovely. This is what it looks like. It is called Mint Blue Academia and it is literally one of my favorite kits ever. I think it is just stunning. The colors are just everything to me and I love the theme with like the floral, a little bit of academia. I think it's just a perfect month and perfect for like upcoming spring too. Like it just adds a little bit of color and it's like a good neutral kit. So here is the journal that I made. I don't want to show you guys too much because it's kind of a surprise and we're doing a lot of tutorials and things, so it's going to be a lot of fun though. So if you want that kit, make sure to check out the description of this video and we can talk more about how to get that, but basically you can become a subscriber or you can just buy it separately. It's totally up to you. All right, now let's take a look at the stickers. So this month I really loved the stickers, the sticker collection that has come out with this. So you're going to receive, I believe it's 8 sticker sheets. We like to just do freebies with them, like we'll get the normal ones and then we'll also add freebies. So here is what you'll get if you order stickers. We have these lovely flowers, 2 sheets of those. These ones to me are the most usable, like, is that the word, usable? I don't know, they're the easiest to use. They're just like these torn edges and I think they're just so cute. Then we have these ones, and this has that academia, the academia books and pens, the bookshelf, these, I don't know what you call these, the decals. I love them. So you get 2 sheets of those, so we're at 6 sheets total. And then there's these 2. So numbers, classic. And then this one is something we've never done before. We have like a semi-transparent background. And these are really beautiful. It's just like these gorgeous botanical looks. So these are the 2 that are kind of the extras, the freebies in the kit, and then these are just the regular ones. So here is one last look at that. I love them. Okay, by the way, these have sold out within a couple days the past few months. So we are, just so you know, if you want them, hop on it. I don't think we're doing stickers next month either, so if you need a sticker fix, then just go ahead and check that out. I'll have that linked in the description, or you can go to www.pinkmonarchprints.com and just scroll to the bottom, or just scroll down on the homepage just a little bit and you'll see them there. But yeah, thank you guys again for watching, and if you want the digital printable kit, make sure to also check out the link in the description. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and we will see you for the rest of our March videos. Bye.